Okay, so today we're going to go through how to find whatever you want to buy on Amazon by percentage off. So it'll help you find the best deals right now. Okay, so we go to Amazon. Oops. Sorry about that. We're at Amazon. I'm not signed in. You go here. Say you were searching. We'll search for a Samsung Galaxy phone. So you type that in, hit enter. Okay. Now, at the end of your address here, the URL address, your browser internet address, not the Amazon search bar. Okay, you go up here, go to the end, the very end, don't delete anything. You would add exactly this ampersand and PCT-OFF equals. And that's for and percentage off. And we're going to search today for 30% off. Okay. So you would take this and percent off equals 30 and type it at the very end. And don't type out AND, just the ampersand. PCT-OFF equals 30. Hit enter. Okay. It will bring up everything that's 30% off or less. Okay. As you can see, this Samsung Galaxy S20 was $689. It's on sale for $267. Do not search or sort by low to high or anything over here. Just stay away from this sort. Stay away from any categories over here because it will completely reset your address up here. All right. You just want to scroll through and you can go specifically exact search for what you want specifically up here. Say you wanted a S22 case or something, you would type that right here to be specific, just so you don't have to go over here and cancel it out later. Okay, so we're going to go back over to our home. All right. Say we're going to search for Under Armour sweatshirts. Okay. Okay. Hit enter. See, it brings up all this stuff. And the way Amazon works, their algorithm is set up. The top sellers get the top listings no matter what. When you hit enter, it comes up with just whoever. But that's the way they work. The more the sellers sell are the first ones that come up on Amazon. That's how it works. Even when you go over here and sort from low to high, it might not necessarily bring up the ones that are really the lowest price because of this. So to bypass that algorithm, we are going to do what we just did previously with that Samsung search. Go up here to the very end of your browser address. If you're doing it on your cell phone, I recommend you come over, you go to your browser and you go to the menu, and there is a little check mark in the menu. You'll see these three little things that says, there'll be something that says desktop view. Use that if you're using Android or your browser on your phone. So we go to the very end of this address. Okay. And again, we type the and PCT-off equals. Exactly. Don't type the AND. Don't type percentage. Don't do anything but what this is right here. The ampersand PCT-OFF equals. Okay. So we're going to go 50 to 75% off. That's what we're going to do. So we go to the very end of our address, the URL, and PCT-OFF equals 50-75, enter. Okay. And here we go. It'll bring it up. All these good deals. Amazing, huh? Just remember not to sort by low to high. It'll completely change the Amazon address, and it'll disregard that, what we just typed in. And that's it. I mean, it's pretty neat.